Hey guys, I am super excited to be giving you a close-up review and setup today of the PetSnowy self-cleaning litter box. It comes pre-assembled thanks to magnetic assembly, so there is very minimal setup required, but I'm going to show you exactly how to get this thing up and running in no time. So let's get right into it. So first off, you're going to pull it out of the box and then make sure to set it down on hard, flat ground such as this. It's got a built-in gravity system, which is why this is essential. You're also going to want to make sure that it's away from the walls by at least 5 centimeters, which isn't too much. So you're just going to want it away from the walls a little bit. Now we are going to plug it in with this included cable right here with the adapter. It plugs in right down here in the back. So you just go ahead and stick the cord in and now just plug it into an outlet. And now, as you can see, what it's currently doing is performing a self-check, which takes about 2 minutes. And then once it is complete, which it appears to be, you are then going to put in the soft cushion included with the litter box. The cushion goes right in here, perfectly designed to fit the space. And it is comfy on cats' feet. The little points are designed to stop litter from tracking, but at the same time provide a nice cushion as soon as your cat enters and exits the litter box. Now the next part of the process is going to be filling this globe part with litter, because this is essentially, the litter box part of the whole device. I have got my cat litter right here. You can use a variety of different types of cat litter, but the best types of litter are going to be clumping litter, ideally clay clumping litter. Right here is considered the litter cushion, and this right here is the max line. So any litter you put in, make sure that it is lower than that max line, that you don't go higher than that. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it in. And there we go, the litter is now filled up all the way right up to that max line here. If you exceed the max line, any excess litter is going to fall down into the waste collecting drawer, which you do not want, so don't go over the line. All right, so now because we have just changed the weight of the litter inside the globe, what we need to do is come here and press the reset button. Every time that you adjust how much litter is in there, you're gonna come and press this so it can recalibrate the weight and function properly. Now that you have done that, the litter box is ready for use, and it will clean every time after your cat does his or her business. Now what you're going to want to do is connect the PetSnowy app. You can type in PetSnowy, or you can scan the QR code that's on the quick user guide that comes with the litter box. And now to connect the device to your phone, what you're going to do is come back over to our reset button here, the little R one. You're going to press and hold that for 5 seconds. Alright, the Wi-Fi indicator light is flashing, and I went to add a device and it is currently pairing to my phone. Just make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and also have Bluetooth turned on, and that is how your phone can find the device. Alright, it has just connected. And now through our app here, you've got a bunch of different things that you can do. You can track your cat's health stats, you can clean the litter box, you can empty it, you can have it deodorize it, and you can play with a lot of settings. I'm not going to go into too much detail. The app itself is pretty straightforward, so just go through it and you can figure out if you want to edit anything from the light to turning on do not disturb mode. You've got a lot of different options. Alright, now let's take a quick peek at our waste collecting drawer. When you receive your litter box, the first bag is already going to be installed and ready to go for you. To remove it, so you'll see that we've got 4 pins throughout the drawer, and what you would do is just go ahead and remove the pins from the holes on the bag. So you just go through and do that on each side. And then simply slide this out. And then you are good to toss your bag. These bags last for up to 2 weeks, possibly less time if you have got more cats or if your cat does his or her business quite a bit. And then if you were to put the bag in, you would just do the same thing here. Just stick them into the pins, slide this back, and then put those last 2 holes into the final 2 pins. Then you'll just slide your drawer right back in. And now finally, if you have the model with the TiO2 deodorizing system, you're going to want to install the Robertet deodorizing fragrance to keep the environment smelling fresh after your cat does his or her business. And you'll see, I wanted to quickly show you, I just got a notification saying that I should check the device because the top is not currently installed, which I just removed it. So it will provide you with useful notifications in real time to help you know any important information about the litter box. So start by removing the fragrance box from the litter box. And now here is our fan with the deodorizing system. You're gonna take this, take your fragrance, make sure you pull it out of the little bag that it's inside, and then you're going to stick it right onto the cover here. And because there's a little magnet on that side, it stays nice and secure on the system here. And now just insert it right back in. All good to go. Meet my cat, Mochi. She is very excited to be introduced to her new litter box. Your cat should adapt to it pretty quickly, but if not, there are instructions in the manual for how to teach your cat.